Okay, so I added my Pacifico and my Lato down here. So now I'm going to click. This is going to link to the style sheet that has these two fonts. So I would copy that, and on every page that I would want to use this, I would put this here. So this is why I'm saying, hey, do your index really good first. Make sure you have your Font Awesome 5 for this link, your link to your style sheet, all those things on there. Then you can copy and paste it onto your other pages, and you don't have to redo things 5 different times, or you won't lose points for not doing it. So here's the link there. So it's going to say that these fonts, I can use those. Okay. Now, in order to actually use this Lato, I need this code. Okay. Now, if I want this to be all my text on one of my pages in my body, I just go here and I'll add a style sheet right before my body tag. This is my head. Okay. So what I'm saying here is, hey, on this page, I want the body to be all this. And this is what I pasted or copied from the Google font site. So I've got my body is going to be all this Lato font. Okay. So let's say that I don't have that in there yet. And this is what it's going to look like before I have it in there. See how it looks a little different? This is what it looks like after. Do you see how it's just a little bit different, that font? You can't tell too much. Okay, it didn't work because I just took that out. All right, so let's say I want to use Pacifico. Okay, but I only want to use it on certain things. So I could do something like add a class W3 cursive. Okay, now here's what I did here. I added this class, W3 cursive. I just typed this at the end. The reason, I named it cursive because once I searched, I saw that no other classes were already called cursive. So I was like, oh, this is just easy. And I took this from over here. I took this code. So what I'm saying is, hey, if I've got that font family of cursive or that class of cursive, I'm going to make it the pretty Pacifico. All right. So I did this first. I said, hey, let's make this new class. Then I went over and used that class here. So that's why built with w3.css shows up in cursive there. Okay. Does that make sense? A little bit? Well, hopefully you can watch this video again, and it'll help you figure that out. Okay. So I simply put my style tags and this to make a different regular font on my entire index. Then I made another class for the fancy one, and then I had to add it down here. Okay. This one's the most important to get first. Cool. All right, I'm going to leave this frozen up on your screen so you can see it. Okay, you'll work with a partner. You can go refer to this as you're working.